In this tutorial, we will be introducing the number data type in JavaScript. We'll take a close look at what numbers are in JavaScript and how you can perform basic arithmetic operations using them. Here, we've just declared a variable num1 and assigned it a number value 10. We then use console.log to print out the value of num1. As you can see, the output is 10, which is the value we assigned to num1. Now, let's take a look at how we can perform basic arithmetic operations in JavaScript. We've declared another variable num2 and assigned it a value of 20. Then, we've created a new variable addition to store the result of adding num1 and num2. Finally, we use console.log to print the result. As expected, the output is 30, which is the result of adding 10 and 20. Similarly, we can perform subtraction, multiplication and division. Here, we've declared three new variables to store the results of subtraction, multiplication and division of num1 and num2. We then print out each result using console.log. The outputs are -10, 200 and 0.5, which are the results of subtracting 20 from 10, multiplying 10 and 20, and dividing 10 by 20, respectively. As you can see, handling numbers and performing arithmetic operations in JavaScript is quite straightforward and intuitive. Remember that JavaScript follows the standard order of operations as in mathematics when performing arithmetic operations. In the next tutorial, we will discuss more about other data types in JavaScript. Thanks for watching, happy coding!